Hello there and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be taking a look at this. Yes, it is the Mavic 2 Fly More combo kit. Now my Mavic finally arrived last week and my Fly More kit was a few days behind it. In this video I'm just going to take you through what's in the kit and I'm just going to give you my opinion on if you should buy it or not, because it's not always clear-cut if you should go for the Fly More kit or just buy extra batteries and other accessories. So I'm going to do a very quick unboxing, take you through it and let you know what I think. So for those who don't know, what the Fly More kit is a range of accessories that DJI sell in a bundle. And by buying this bundle, it means that you get a bit of a discount. In this package, you get propellers, you get a case, some extra batteries, car charger, and a few other things. And if you were to buy these things separately, it would cost you quite a bit more. When you open the box, the first thing you will find is this lovely bag inside. Now, for the guys who had a Mavic Pro, you will notice that it is very familiar. It is a little bit larger, however, it is the same design bag overall. You still have the strap on the top, the flip up front bit with the zip along there, and then you have the nice side pockets on the side for holding batteries. Personally, I keep my batteries in there, and then you've got this other pocket at the front here. For my Mavic, original Mavic, it was a really good bag. It is tight. I'm not going to pretend that it isn't. Getting everything in is a bit of a squeeze, including the aircraft itself. However, it is a very, very good bag in my opinion, and it will cover most situations. It offers a nice level of protection, and unless you're needing something completely rigid, it's definitely worth considering. When you lift the lid on the bag, you will find a few of the accessories inside. Whereas on the original one, they packaged everything separate. In this one, they've actually already put it in the case. So on the left-hand side, we will find a box which contains the car charger. And this is a car charger that is specifically designed for the Mavic 2 batteries. It has the usual cigarette or accessory socket on that side, and then it has your adapter for the battery connection on this side here. Now it is worth noting that this will only work with the Mavic 2. As I've mentioned, the Mavic 2 is now 4S, not 3S batteries, and that means this will not work on the original Mavic, the Mavic Air. It is specifically designed for both models of the Mavic 2 series, so the Zoom and the Pro. Another thing with the car charger is it can also be used with the hub as well, and I'll show you that a little bit more in a minute. One last thing to note about the car charger is that if you use it, it will actually charge the batteries a little bit quicker than the standard mains adapter that does come with the Mavic 2. It has a slightly higher rating, which means it charges the batteries a little bit quicker. So that is a nice little detail that you have as well. Alongside the car charger, you then have this other box in the right hand side, and this one contains a few more of the accessories. When you open it up, you will find the strap for the bag down one side, and that is the shoulder strap. So that means you're able to clip it on once you remove the packaging, clip it onto the side of the bag. It's got these usual type of clips. Clip them on like that, and then like that, and then you've got the nice shoulder straps. You can carry it nice and easily as well. Further in the box, you will find this little thing. Now, I have to say, this is one of my favourite accessories DJI make across the board. And when I open this, this is the battery USB adapter. So it plugs on the battery for the Mavic 2, and it gives you two USB outputs. Now, this is very, very handy for charging your smart device, although the Mavic 2 remote will do that for you now as well. However, it's really handy for discharging the batteries if you're not going to use them. So rather than wait for the discharge timer to kick in, because that discharge timer is fixed at 10 days on the Mavic 2, you can just put this onto your battery and use it to charge some USB devices in the house. And I think this is one of the top accessories you can get for the Mavic series. They introduced it first of all with the Mavic Pro. It's available with the Mavic Air as well, and now with the Mavic 2. And for me, it is a #1 thing to have. It really is. I'm going to pop that by there. Finally, you remove a bit more packaging and you will find the charge hub. So just like the original Fly More kit, it includes a 4 battery charge hub. It's of a similar design than what we had on the Mavic Air, And it works with both the car charger as well as the charger that comes with the Mavic 2, the original mains one. Now, this is a sequential charger, so it does not charge all of the batteries at the same time. It is one at a time. It will start charging the highest charge level battery first, so the one with the most charge, to full, and then it will move on to the next one and the next one. And again, as I said, similar design to you had before. You simply take the adapter, pop him onto the bottom, put the cable in, either plug it into your car charger or your mains charger, and it will do up to 4 batteries nice and quickly, nice and easily. Finally, when you get into the bottom of the bag, if I move this around, you will find the 2 batteries that are included in the kit. So with the Fly More, you do get 2 additional batteries. So that means you're able to get a bit more flight time at the aircraft as well. Finally, when you open the zip at the front, when I'm able to find it, you will find in the bag some extra accessories, and that is some spare propellers. So whilst you get a spare 2 propellers in the box with the Mavic 2, in the Fly More kit, you actually get 2 extra sets as well. And again, very handy just in case you need more props. I tend to change my props fairly regularly on the aircraft. Normally, I would say after 20-30 hours, I will just swap the props out. The reason for that is they are cheap. They are one of the only things that keep your aircraft in the air, so why risk having problems? Swap them out regularly, and then it's just another thing off your mind. So that is pretty much everything you get in the kit itself. Looking closer inside the bag, you will see that you've got the main pocket here for the aircraft itself. You've then got a pocket down the side for the remote controller, as well as the 2 batteries at the bottom, and then you can pretty much squeeze every other accessory in it. Now for me, I preferred not to put the batteries inside. I actually prefer to carry them in these squidgy bits, expandable bits I should say, on the side. And the reason is they're nice and easy to get in and out. So if you're walking with the bag and you go into somewhere you're going to fly, if you're doing long-term carrying, certainly put them inside the bag, but if you're going to carry them short distance, put them in this bit on the side and you can get them out nice and quickly then. The last thing really to do is just to show that you can get all of this in. It depends which order you want to do it, but for me, you can pretty much get the aircraft in this side like this. I prefer to put it top down, actually. I found for me, that is the route it goes in the easiest. I then tend to put 1 battery in the bottom under there, out of the way. Then drop the remote controller in, and if you're careful you can leave the sticks on actually, so it means you don't have to take them off. You then put the car charger down that hole there. I then shove the charge hub in that one on that side there, and then finally shove a battery on the outside, because again I like to carry one of the batteries on the outside of the bag for quick swapping over. And then I tend to put the charge adapter in the front there. Zip the whole thing up, and that is me ready to go. It's as simple as that. Okay, so to wrap this one up, should you buy the Fly More kit for the Mavic 2? In my opinion, absolutely yes. It's a bit of a no-brainer deal. In the US, it costs $379. Now, that is a bit more than it was originally, but there is still over a $200 saving than buying each of these accessories individually. In the UK, it costs 339 quid and it's £187 saving. Now, some people have said, well, I don't need the bag, so what's the point of spending the money? In my opinion, I would buy the kit and sell the bag separately if that's the case, and you will pretty much have every situation covered. The charger is a very nice accessory to have, as is the car adapter. The car adapter is a very, very important one in my opinion. And as I've said, this little thing here, which is your USB adapter, is an absolute lifesaver. There are links to all of this in the description of this video. So there's a link to the Fly More kit as well as the Mavic 2. If you like what you've seen in this channel, please do subscribe. There is a button somewhere by here, probably, which will allow you to subscribe, give you some updates on any videos that we do in the future, I should say. Thank you very much for watching, and I will do another one again soon.